Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix erase iPhone verification failed. Are you trying to erase your iPhone and it says verification failed? This message prevents you from erasing your iPhone, leaving you stuck and unable to prepare your iPhone for resale or simply to clear personal data. Don't worry, this video dives deep into the causes and provides proven solutions to fix the verification failed issue and successfully erase your iPhone. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, ensure a stable internet connection. If your iPhone connection is weak or inconsistent, the verification process may fail, triggering the verification failed error when trying to erase your iPhone. So for this, turn on airplane mode for 30 seconds. For this, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and then tap on the airplane mode icon. Wait for 30 seconds and then tap on it again to disable this feature and you are done. Also disconnect from Wi-Fi network for 10 seconds and then reconnect to it. For this, go to settings. Next, tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on Wi-Fi toggle button to disable this and then wait for 10 seconds and then turn it again on again. And you are done. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data or vice versa to see if the error persists. For this, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and then tap on Wi-Fi to turn it off and then turn on your mobile data and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. Sometimes network issues can interfere with the verification process, especially if your iPhone is having trouble connecting to Apple servers. Resetting your network settings can help restore your connection. For this, open settings. Next, go to general option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Then choose reset and choose reset network settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset network settings. And you are done. After resetting, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or cellular network and try to erase your iPhone again to check if the verification failed error has been fixed. And the next step is sign out of Apple ID. For this, go to settings and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next, scroll down and then choose sign out. Enter your Apple ID password and then tap turn off. Choose what data to keep a copy of your iPhone and then tap sign out again to confirm. After signing out, try to erase your iPhone again and you are done. And the next step is check Apple system status. Visit Apple system status page. Check if any Apple services such as iCloud or the Apple ID service are experiencing outages. If Apple servers are down, you will need to wait for them to resolve the issue on their end and then try to erase your iPhone again. And you are done. The next step is force restart your iPhone. For this, you just need to press the volume down button and the power button together. A slider will appear, so slide to power off and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And you are done. The next step is update iOS to the latest version. For this, go to settings and choose general option and choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available. Then tap on update now and update the latest version. And you are done. And the next step is erase your iPhone via iTunes. If you have tried all these solutions and the verification failed error persists, ensuring your iPhone through iTunes may be the solution. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Boot your iPhone into a recovery mode by pressing the volume up button and then the volume down button and the power button. Open iTunes on your computer, then choose the restore option when prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm that you want to proceed with the factory reset. iTunes will then begin the process. Keep your device connected until the entire process is complete. Your iPhone will reset once it's been fully erased and restored. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix erase iPhone verification failed. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.